In this video, you'll learn how to create a free workout plan using Notion AI. By following this guide, you will set up a personalized workout plan tailored to your fitness goals. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can start the process. Next, locate the Notion AI option on the homepage. This feature is usually displayed prominently, allowing you to access the AI capabilities. Click on this option to proceed to the AI interface. After that, look for the prompt that says, "How can I help you today?" This is typically centered on the screen and invites you to input your request. Click on this prompt to activate the input field. Now, type in "create a workout plan" into the input field. This request will initiate the AI's response tailored to your workout needs. Once you've entered your request, wait for a moment as Notion AI processes your input. When the AI generates a response, you will see the workout plan displayed on the screen. Click on the option labeled "Copy Response" to save the generated plan to your clipboard. This action allows you to easily transfer the information to a new page. Following this, find the option to Add New Page on the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. Click this option to create a new blank page where you can customize your workout plan. Once the new page is created, you will see a blank workspace within this page to ensure you are ready to input your copied workout plan. Next, paste the response that you copied from Notion AI into the blank page. This will populate your new page with the workout plan generated by the AI, allowing you to review and modify it as needed. Now, personalize the workout planner according to your preferences. You can adjust the exercises, sets, and repetitions to better suit your fitness level and goals. After personalizing your plan, look for the option labeled Add Cover at the top of the page. Clicking this will allow you to choose a visual cover for your workout plan, enhancing its appearance. Next, find and click on the Add Icon option. This will enable you to select an icon that represents your workout plan, adding a visual element to your page. Then, click on the Icon section to browse through available icons. This section usually presents a variety of options to choose from, adding personality to your page. Select an icon that resonates with your workout theme. Once you've decided on an icon, click on it to apply it to your workout plan. Finally, choose the color of the icon to match your personal style or the theme of your workout plan. This customization adds a personal touch to your document. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.